Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. Now of course, in terms of your MacBook Neo, this is the MacBook Neo here. I'm going to show you to turn on night shift. Now night shift will protect your eyes by reducing the blue light that's being emitted by your Mac, which can actually reduce the eye strains. Alright, so go ahead guys and tap on Apple logo. You're going to go to system settings. Seeing this has to do with the display itself, we're going to go down to display. And the option for night shift should be somewhere around here. And of course you see brightness there. You see automatically adjust brightness, and of course go to advanced, and I think it should be somewhere around here. Give me a second guys. Sometimes it moves or sometimes updates does change it a bit. Give me a second. Oh, here we are. So you see night shift right down here. Go ahead and select night shift. Now here we are. It says night shift automatically shifts the color of your display to a warmer end of the color spectrum after dark. This may help you to get a better night's sleep. So of course you can turn this on. You can do a custom or sunset to sunset. If you can't be bothered, set it to sunset to sunset. If otherwise, go to custom. Custom would mean that you choose when to turn it on, and the option is yours. Most times it's best to use that night. You can say turn on until tomorrow, meaning you can do an impromptu turn on. So for example, I can simply turn it on now, just for maybe a situation at hand. Notice the screen has changed in warmness and tone, and I can turn it off. So if you want to impromptu turn it on, like immediately, go ahead and tap here. Otherwise, schedule it by sunset to sunrise. And of course, you can mess with the level. So you have less warm or more warm. And of course, the warmness indicates that the screen does turn, as we showed earlier, kind of changes to a more darker browner tone, as you can see, and it will adjust itself. So I'm going to turn it off here. But of course, you will choose what you want to turn it on at night, or of course right now. And then when you're finished, it done. In my case, it's okay, so I won't turn it on right now, but I know how to turn it on. All right, so that's how you turn on night shift. Hope that was helpful for the MacBook Neo. See you in the next one, guys. Bye.